Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to earn $100 on Medium. If you love to write and want to earn some money while doing it, then you are in the right place. In this video we are going to show you how can make money on Medium by publishing your stories. First, if you have not already create a Medium account, once you have signed up, start by writing quality content that people want to read. Make sure your article is informative, engaging, and original. Try to be unique and find a fresh angle on the topic you are writing about. Next, you will want to make sure your article are getting views. This is important because Medium pays writers based on the engagement they get from readers. The more views and engagement you get, the more money you will make. You can check your statistics on Medium to see how many people have viewed your article, how many people have clapped for it, and how much money you get as they want. The more claps you get, the more money you make. When you join the partner program, Medium pays you through Stripe, a secured online payment system. You will need to connect your bank account to Stripe to receive payment. Medium pays out every month, so keep an eye on your earnings and make sure you are hitting their $100 goal. And that's it. Follow this step, you will be on your way to earning $100 on Medium. Remember, it takes time and effort to build up your audience, but if you keep writing quality content, engage with your readers, and promote your work on social media, you will well on your way to making money on Medium. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Happy writing.